Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at why you shouldn't use the Unbounce for your affiliate pages, guys. So stay tuned until the end of this video. It's going to be super interesting, trust me. So before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and like button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So let's go. Hi everyone, today's video we are going to talk about why you shouldn't use Unbounced for your affiliate pages, whether you can use this platform or not to build your affiliate pages, and if you can't, why you can't. So let's get in. But before that, let's talk about a little bit about Unbounce. If you have no idea what Unbounce is a very famous landing page builder. Personally, I would say it's how do we say it? It's a little bit more professional kind of landing page builder, which has a lot of other features as well. It's very famous. It has been used for specific industries like for SaaS, e-commerce, and all this. Definitely, it's very interesting, guys. But why Unbounce is not suitable for affiliate pages? And that's what we're going to see. Let's begin. So the first reason is that it is not affiliate marketer friendly, especially beginner affiliate marketer friendly. If you can ask me this question, what if I'm a super affiliate, can I use Unbounce? Definitely. I don't think Unbounce have any problems. I mean, they do have problems, a little bit problems when it comes to super affiliate, but in general or in overall, if you are a super affiliate and you want to use Unbound, you can actually go ahead and use Unbound. I feel it's actually pretty good to use Unbound if you are a beginner, if you are a super affiliate marketer or you're an advanced affiliate marketer. But if you're a beginner affiliate marketer in general, Unbound is not suitable for you at all. I would highly suggest you not to look at Unbound at all. Why? The reason is, first, pricing. Unbounce minimum packages, the lowest package, if I'm not mistaken, is $79 per month, which is actually pretty high price if you compare to other landing page builder like Lead Page. I think Lead Page is only $25, right? So it's actually pretty expensive if you compare to their competitors itself, because Unbound actually, like I told you, they cater for much more advanced type of users, advanced type of marketers. That is why beginner affiliate marketers should not look at Unbound at all. Firstly, because of the price. Secondly, because of its limited templates. Even though Unbound is quite professional, I think because of that, because usually professional affiliate marketers, they don't depend on templates a lot. They actually use their own templates. They actually do their own. They know how to do, which one to do, what to do right and what to do wrong. But beginner affiliate marketers, that is not the issues. With beginner affiliate marketers, they depend a lot on templates. And when you talk about the templates available within Unbound, the templates are actually very limited. And not only that, personally, I feel that the templates within Unbound, I've been using Unbound last year. I just started to use the Unbound last year. I personally feel that Unbound's templates are not that attractive, not that good, not that helpful if you compare to the other competitive like Lead Page and others. Even InstaPage has much more better templates compared to Unbound. That's what I think. So if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, you will be having troubles to use the templates within Unbound itself because it's not that good. And then too many options, guys. Unbound has a lot of features. So what I would say is the robust features makes you very hard in determining what to do. And if you're a beginner affiliate marketer on the other hand, it might confuse you a lot. You might be thinking, hey, what should I actually do? Should I do this? Or should I do that? Or should I do this? Or should I do that? Where should I go? Should I go there? Should I go here? You will get so confused with the features, because few of my affiliate marketers that I know, beginner affiliate marketers that I know, they actually told me this. They told me that they get confused with the features, with the tremendous amount of features which is provided by Unbound. But if you're a a pro affiliate marketer, I would definitely highly recommend this for you, because those features are good features. I'm not saying that it's bad features. I'm just telling there is too many features. Even you should always remember, if something is a little, very, very little, that's bad. And if something is very, very a lot, that's bad either. It should always be in the middle. And if you're a pro, like I was saying, if you're a pro affiliate marketers, those features can definitely help you on your journey, guys. So the next one is frequent downtime. My experience of using the Unbound in the year 2019, which was last year, they had frequent downtime, which means their server went down few times last year alone, which is very bad. It should not happen to a landing page builder, which is actually very famous like this. Those downtimes are very, very bad, and they did have a lot of downtimes. But because I only use them for around 7 8 months, so I know that they have frequent downtime. But when I asked my other colleagues who actually use the Unbound, they told me that this happened only last year, but before last year their downtime is not that frequent. But I'm doing this video based on my experience. So from my experience, I did experience frequent downtime with the Unbound. So finally, I think this is final, no, second final, I think. So the other thing is that Unbound lack of self manual. Sorry guys, this is second last, it's not last. So Unbound lack of self manual, which means the instruction video on how to do it, because the features, like I told you, they cater for advanced affiliate marketers, they cater for advanced marketers. So in that particular sense, I think they did not concentrate on doing the self manual, the instructions properly, or the instruction very beginner friendly. So beginners will have a lot of tough time getting used to the platform itself because of the lack of self manual as well. And finally, when we talk about the customer support, I would not be bad mouthing Unbounce, telling, hey, their customer support is bad. I will not say that. Actually, they have a very, very good customer support. In fact, this particular feature that they have, the good customer support, can actually mitigate their lack of self manual, which means if you're a beginner marketer and you still want to use Unbound, which is highly not recommended, if you need to use something else, guys. But if you want to use Unbound still, you're so stubborn and you want to use Unbound, you can actually go ahead and communicate with their customer support. They do have a very friendly, good customer support, which will help you throughout your way. If because there's no a lot of self-learning manuals or instructions, so customer support is good. But the customer support is only limited to office hours. So which means that since they're very good, they have only limited time that they function. And this is a very big problem if you're a different time zone. Let's say you're in my time zone plus 8 GMT, and they are in plus 3 GMT, if I'm not mistaken. And Amsterdam, I'm not so sure, but something like that. So we do have a time difference which is very, very big, 5 hours, 6 hours time difference, which makes me to be very, very hard in the limited office hours. And not only me, and a lot of people are having the same issues as well. So their customer service is good, but it's actually limited to office hours, which is bad. And I think this is the bad features that I could actually pinpoint regarding the Unbounce. Is not that bad, guys. If you are an advanced affiliate marketer, which you think you can actually go ahead and use this platform, definitely go and use. But if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, do not touch this platform. It's not good for beginner. It's not beginner friendly at all. So if you don't use this, then what should you use? I would highly recommend you to go ahead and try out a brand new software, brand new landing page builder, which was launched, called the Landerize. Why I like Landerize is because you have full control of what you do. And you know what's the best part? You can actually upload it in Amazon S3. I love when something it can be uploaded in Amazon S3. You know why? First thing is you own the landing page. It's in your Amazon S3, which means you have full control of your landing page. Second, whenever something is loaded in Amazon S3, it will load very, very fast. The page will load very, very fast. It will not be slow, which is very, very good. if a page is slow, you will have a lot of click rate, but you will not have a lot of click through rate, which is very bad. But if the page is fast, then you will have a lot of click rate as well as click through rate, and that's what we want as well. And you can actually use Landerize to integrate it with trackers like volume, rate track, and all this as well. And the best part is it still maintains the normal function, which is the drag and drop. It's not something very new. It's just the simple, easy way to build a landing page, which is the drag and drop. It still maintains it. So you can actually go ahead into the Landerize. I've actually attached the link to Landerize in the description of this video. So if you're interested, you can actually go ahead and take a look at it as well. So if you can just go ahead into Landerize, you can actually see how simple it is. You can actually build your landing page within 5 minutes, guys. I'm really serious. It's just 5 minutes. And the best part that I love about Landerize is that this particular landing page builder is built specially for affiliate marketers. The target market is affiliate marketers. They are built by affiliate marketers for affiliate marketers. So since they are built by affiliate marketers, they know usually what is the problem that affiliate marketers face when they are trying to create a landing page for their affiliate pages. Not a general landing page, not a sales page, not a product page. It's a affiliate page. So they know what issues happens for affiliate marketers. So they did this particular landing page builder specifying for affiliate marketers, focusing on affiliate marketers so that they can actually cater for affiliate marketers. And that's what I love the most about this particular software. So like I told you before, I have actually included the link to Landerize in the description of this video. So just go ahead and take a look at it if you are interested in knowing much more further. Definitely go ahead and try, guys. You will love it, trust me, especially if you're an affiliate marketer. So guys, I think we have reached to the end of today's video, guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, as well as the bell notification, so that we can keep producing good content like this, or should I say contents that you'd like. I won't say good, I would say contents that you'd like more in the future. So I'll be seeing you very soon, guys. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.